Dear students, today we are here on the topic fractions and on which we are doing today NCERT exercise 7.4. 7.4 exercise is based on fractions comparison. I think most of you will be knowing that what comparison is. Do you know about comparison? Comparison means when we have either 2 fraction, 3 fraction or 4 fraction or any number also, where we compare which one is greater, which one is smaller and also even equal. Okay? Comparison means we select which one is greater, which one is smaller and which one is equal. So remember, you can have 2 fraction, you can have 3 fraction, we can have more than two or 3 also, because this exercise is based on कंपैरिजन ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है, तो यहां पर हम क्या करेंगे, कंपैरिजन कैन हैव 3 स्टेजेस. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड वन बाय वन. सबसे फर्स्ट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इन कंपैरिजन व्हेन वी हैव वेरी नॉर्मल फ्रैक्शंस व्हिच इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ लाइक. ठीक है, सबसे पहले बात करते हैं हम व्हेन वी हैव लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. Like fractions, you must be knowing. Suppose I'm taking an example: 2 by 5, 7 by 5. Now you can see bases are same, means both are like. ठीक है? When we are doing the comparison of like fractions, we simply have to do the comparison of numerators. Why? Because denominators are same. ठीक है? So what you will see? Only the numerators. Now what you can see here? 2 is greater or 7 is greater? 7. So the number which will be greater is 7 by 5. Clear? No need to have any kind of confusion in it. Fine. Suppose if I leave like fraction, if I'll give you another fraction, for example, you have 1 whole, okay, and another one you have as 1 by 3. Now this is also simple. Why? One is whole, another one is fraction, and fraction is a part of whole. तो इन दोनों में से बड़ा कौन हुआ बेटा? 1 whole. This is also clear. ठीक है? Same thing if I tell you that there is a number 2, there is a number 1 whole 1 by 3. Now what do you say? 2 again bigger. Why can you tell me? Absolutely. This is 2 whole and this is mixed fraction where 1 whole 1 by 3. तो 1 whole के साथ चाहे कुछ भी लिखा हो, but ये है तो 1 whole ही, and this is 2 whole. So the bigger one is 2. ठीक है? Now when you have both the side mixed fractions, mixed fraction means suppose this time you have a number like 3 whole 2 by 5 and another one is 7 whole 1 by 5. In this case, which one is greater? 7 whole 1 by 5. May I know the reason? Absolutely. Here whole is 3. Here whole is 7. And which whole is more? 7. So here the answer will come directly. Clear? ठीक है? These were the questions which do not need any method. Once you observe it, you write the answer directly. I hope it is clear to you all. I am giving you 3 questions similar to this. Please solve this out on your copy. Which one is greater, which one is smaller, which one is equal. So students, let's understand these questions which are the examples of only observation. Okay, you don't need any kind of solution for these questions. You can simply do that without any solution. 5 by 5, you are knowing it can cancel each other, and that if you will cancel each other, you will get 1 whole. And वैसे भी अगर without cancelling, if you observe 5 by 5, 1 whole, 3 by 3, 1 whole, 7 by 7, 1 whole only. So this is 1 whole and this is also 1 whole. So what they will become equal. Second question, 2 whole 7 by 11. This is 3 whole 5 by 11. So here which whole is greater? 3 whole is greater. So this would be the answer. Now 1 whole 2 by 5 and this is only 4 by 5. Okay? And this is a proper fraction, and this is the mixed fraction. So which one will be greater? The mixed one. Finish. Now this is 3 whole and this is 15 by 5 means improper. अब improper को अगर आप check करो, so you can cancel this. When you will cancel this, what will you get? 3 by 1, and 3 by 1 means होता है only 3. ठीक है, that is 3 whole. So again this is 3 and this is also 3. What they will give you? Equal. Finished. Move on to the last one. A very simple question. Both are proper or improper? Proper. Proper also and the like also, but right now they are proper and like. So here, which one, what we will see? We will see only which one is greater. 4 is greater or 12? 12. So this will be the greater one. In that case, sometimes you don't understand by observation. For that, you need the help of the methods. Okay? So let's understand now. Now, students, if you have seen the previous question which I have given you of observation, हर समय observation काम नहीं आती बेटा, है ना? Because sometimes we get the question in that way, जहाँ पर हमारी observation जो है कहीं पे confusing भी हो जाती है. So in that case, you should always know the methods also for cross-checking or maybe for checking. ठीक है? So remember the first method and the easiest method today we are doing for comparison, that is known as cross multiplication. वैसे तो आई थिंक यू मस्ट बी नोइंग कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन का साइन ही क्रॉस का साइन होता है. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले याद रखो इस मेथड में आपको यूज करना है एक क्रॉस, और क्रॉस के ऊपर आपको ध्यान रखना है देयर शुड बी अ क्रॉस हेड. यू कैन कॉल इट एरो हेड, यू कैन कॉल इट क्रॉस हेड. हेड हमेशा कहाँ होता है? टॉप में. तो आपको याद रखना है ये हेड हमेशा टॉप में होना चाहिए. बस क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन की ये चीज आप याद रखो, यू विल फील द मेथड इज इजीएस्ट वन. ओके, let's understand with the help of one example. Suppose I have a question which is in the form of unlike fraction. Like, so it was easy. Let's understand with the help of unlike fraction. Suppose you have a question as 2 by 3 and another example is like 5 by 11. Okay? What you do, if you are, maybe you are comparison you are doing of both, let's have a cross in between. Why we are putting cross? Because we are having the method cross multiplication. ठीक है, क्रॉस लगाया. अब you have made it cross का head. Head means arrow head. Head हमेशा ऊपर होता है, तो यहाँ पर भी head हमेशा कहाँ होंगे? ऊपर. ले लिया. Now can you tell me by replying 11 is moving towards which direction? 2 and 3 is moving towards which direction? 5. So let's have this one now. 2 के पास आ गया 11 and 3 चला गया किसके पास? 5 के पास. Till here it is clear. Now what is the full name of this method? Cross multiplication. So कहीं ना कहीं तो multiplication जरूर आएगा. Let's put it. Okay. Now let's multiply. 2 with 11, what will come? 22. 5 with multiply 3, 15. Now can you tell me which one is greater? 22. 22 किस तरफ का फ्रैक्शन है? 2 by 3. So the answer is 2 by 3 is greater than 5 by 11. Easiest method, remember. ठीक है? Only you have to follow the steps. Cross multiplication has one demerit. Demerit हर चीज की होती है, तो cross multiplication की भी होती है. Only one demerit is that you can only use cross multiplication with only 2 fractions. जब हमारे पास 2 से ज्यादा फ्रैक्शन हो जाते हैं तो हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन का यूज नहीं कर पाते. ठीक है, तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल ओनली टेक प्लेस व्हेन यू हैव ओनली 2 फ्रैक्शंस. क्लियर? हाँ बेटा, मिक्स्ड आल्सो यू कैन डू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, बट केवल 2 होने चाहिए. ठीक है, आई विल टेल यू देन. Let's try one question which will be done by you people only. Yes, understand now. I hope everybody has got the answer 3 by 7 only. Let's understand how. First process, cross. Second process, head. Head is always at the top. So that is why head is there. Now 11 is moving towards 3. So 11 into 3. 7 is moving towards 4. So 7 into 4. It will give you 28. It will give you 33. 33 is greater. So the answer is 3 by 7 greater than 4 by 11. Okay. Now one question you try in front of me which is related to mixed one. Mixed में only one process will increase, that is converting into improper. Baki rest of the process will become exactly same. So let's note it down the question. 4 whole 3 by 7 and 3 whole, no, not 3 whole, 4 whole 1 by 5. Just a second. I am explaining this once again. Okay? Watch it. Sabse first, you are knowing this is mixed. And mixed cannot be solved by using cross multiplication initially. First, we will have the this number as an improper fraction. How we will do that? 4 into 7, 28. 28 plus 3, 31. 31 by 7. Clear? Next one. 4 5s are 20. 20 and 1, 21 by 5. What is the next process? Put the cross. Second process, put the heads. ठीक है? अब देखो 5 जा रहा है कहां पर? 31 के पास. 31 into 5. 7 किसके पास जा रहा है? 21 into 7. Let's get multiply. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 40. Now, which number is greater? 155. Okay. And 155 किसकी तरफ था? 31 by 7. But 31 by 7 was not our question. Our question was this. 4 whole 3 by 7 is greater than 4 whole 1 by 5. Okay, students. So till now, we have done the comparison between two numbers. And remember, exercise 7.4 of exercise, which is comparison related, will have all the questions related to comparison only. You can choose the method of cross multiplication while doing the comparison. Remember, from question number 1 to 5 are very easy, in which you have to do a simple cross multiplication to have which number is greater. Okay. Question number 6, let me read now. Question number 6 is telling here the following fractions represent just 3 different numbers. Separate them into 3 groups of equivalent fractions by changing each one to its simplest form. Okay, so I am noting down every fraction which is written in question number 6, and let's make them simplest to know which main common fractions they are giving us as an answer. Now students, I have written all the numbers which came in question number 6. Let's observe which common fractions they are giving us. First of all, it's 2 by 12. When you will make it simplified, it will give you 1 by 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now when you will make this simplified, you will get it 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. So 1 by 5. Now this one will give you 4. You can cut it by 2. 2 4s are 8, and this will give you 25. So the number will come 4 by 25. Now third one is done. Fourth one you can cancel by 4 again. 4 4s are 16, and this will give you 4 25s are 100. So we will have again 4 by 25. Now move on to the next number, 10 by 60. Again you can cut by table of 10. 10 ones are 10 6s are. So 1 by 6 as an answer. Now the last number this side in this row, 15 by 75. 15 ones are 15, 15 5s are 75. 1 by 5. Now you can see we have got the answer 1 by 6, 1 by 5, 4 by 25, 4 by 25, 1 by 6, 1 by 5. Let's do it the questions which is written below. Now the same pattern we will follow as we have done it above the questions. We will do it same thing for the below one also. You can see here it will give you You can cut it by table of 4. 4 threes are 12, 4 fives are 20. 3 by 5. Next number, 16 ones are 16, 16 six are 96, 1 by 6. Now this also you can cut it by table of 4. 4 threes are 12 and sorry, you can cut it by 3. 3 fours are 12 and 3 25s are. So 4 by 25 you will get it. The same way you can cut this also. 12 ones are 12, 12 six are 72, 1 by 6. The same way, this also 3 ones are 3, 3 six are 18. And this also, it will not be simplified because both are not divisible by any common number. Now you can see I have written all the simple fractions. Now you can see we have got 1 by 6 here, 1 by 6 here, 1 by 6 here, 1 by 6 here and 1 by 6 here. So which fractions will be equivalent this way? 16 by 96, 2 by 12, 12 by 72, 3 by 18, 10 by 16. So these are the fractions which are giving us the same values. So remember, don't get confused while doing this question. Okay? Now in the same way, if you can see this one, you will follow. We are getting 3 by 5 as a one number only. 3 by 5 हमें केवल एक ही नंबर के साथ मिला है, तो हम उसको चाहें तो skip कर सकते हैं. Let's understand another one. 4 by 25. 4 by 25 we are getting from this, from this, from this, from this. So you can have as a common answer like 4 by 25 in all those. Okay? The same way you are getting 1 by 5 also. So 1 by 5 we are getting only from two numbers, 3 by 15 and 15 by 75. So you can take in this way, you can separate in their own groups. ठीक है? आप ऐसे numbers का group बना के लिखेंगे जो same answer दे रहे हैं. Same way, again make the group जो same answer दे रहे हैं, that you will note it down. I hope it is clear to you all. Fine. Question number 6 के बाद है question number 7 in which it is telling find answer to the following, write and indicate how you solve them. In this question they are asking indirectly comparison. Indirectly comparison means that they are not telling you to put the sign in between. They are asking the question in a straightforward way that are they equal? Are they not equal? Like this. Let me have one question related to it. It is telling like, is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? In the same way, you have all the answers, all the questions. So let us solve with the help of this one. So beta, remember the first step you will be having. No, when you will do this kind of question, you will be always doing the process of cross multiplication again, because we have only two fractions. So what will you do? We are talking about two numbers, 5 by 9, which is given in the question. Second number is given 4 by 5. Let's have cross multiplication into them. Okay. Then arrowheads. 5 is moving towards this, so 5 into 5. 9 is moving towards this, so 4 into 9. Now 4 into 9 will give you 36 and 5 into 5 gives you 25. Now you can see they are not equal. And when they are not equal, our question was asking us, is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? So our answer would be no. They are not equal. Fine. So remember, if you do this kind of question, you have to take care that they are asking indirectly to us that do comparison. ठीक है? So पहले हम comparison करेंगे and comparison करने के बाद we will simply write it down whether they are equal or not equal. ठीक है? Now let's move on to question number 8. It is also like that only. Question number 8 is telling here, Ila read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. And Lalita read 2 upon 5 of the same book. Who read less? Now, let's talk about question number 8. Here we are talking about two girls, Ila and Lalita. Now, if you talk about Ila, you will find that she read 25 pages out of 100. So 25 pages out of 100. And Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Means she is reading 2 by 5 part. So if you will follow this, you will see that it is a complex fraction. You can simply make it simplified by using the fraction simplest form. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are. So we are getting 1 by 4 here, we are getting 2 by 5 here. You can simply compare so that you will come to know that who read less. Cross multiplication, arrowheads, 1 with 5, 4 with 2, it's coming 8, it's coming 5. And you can see 5 is coming less, means Ila read less. Fine. So this is all about question number 8, which is application based of question related to comparison. Okay. Now question number 9. Rafiq exercised 3/6 of an hour, and while Rohit exercised 3/4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer time? Again the same pattern of question. ठीक है, इसको बिल्कुल वैसे ही करना है जैसे अभी हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में किया. बट यहाँ पर इला की जगह पर कौन आ गया? रफीक. ओके, सो हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 वी हैव रफीक and second one we have Rohit. Rafiq 3 by 4, sorry 3 by 6 I think, and this is 3 by 4. Yes, and it is asking who exercised for a longer time. This time we have to find out who exercised more. Again the same process, cross multiplication, 3 with 4 and 3 with 6. It will give you 18, it will give you 12. Okay, and you can see this is giving us the correct answer, more answer, है ना? 18. So that means Rohit exercised more. The same pattern of question. Fine. Now, the same way, if you do the question. Now, next question is question number 10. It is talking about in a class A. ठीक है, यहाँ पर दो classes के बारे में बात हो रही है. One is class A and another one is class B. So in a class A and class B, it is talking about class A. You have total 25 students. Out of them, 20 are passed. No, sir. On my place, it is there. 20 by 25. ठीक है. And in class B, another class B, you have 30 students. Out of them, 24 are passed. ठीक है. So here we have out of 30 students, 24 are passed. In section A, 20 are passed out of 25, and both of the fractions have scored 60% more. ठीक है. Here it is 60% or more marks. So it means दोनों ही cases में 60% और more percentage पाने वाले perfection ये है. So आपको क्या करना है, बताना है कि किस क्लास में 60 और उससे ज्यादा परसेंटेज वाले बच्चे ज्यादा हैं. ठीक है. So उसके लिए again you need comparison. So comparison से पहले बेटा you just see that whether these numbers will get solved or not. ठीक है. You make it simplified. You can see 5 fours are 5 fives are 4 by 5 will come. Here 6 fours are 6 fives are again 4 by 5. ठीक है. Now if you will see that both the classes having the same fraction means दोनों ही क्लासेस में जितने बच्चे 60% लेकर के आ रहे हैं या 60% से ज्यादा लेकर के आ रहे हैं, उन दोनों का ही फ्रैक्शन सेम है. ठीक है. So nobody is more, nobody is less. Both are equally performed. Okay. So remember this exercise 7.4 is completed today. Thank you.